Tuskegee's head basketball coach Benjy Taylor was escorted off the court by police after their loss to Morehouse this past weekend. Videos capturing the incident have been shared all over social media.
They should be on the court! Right. They should
Taylor says he approached the officer asking him to remove Morehouse football players who had gotten on the court in the handshake line after the game. He says the football players had been yelling obscenities the entire game, and them being on the court was a security breach. Taylor released a statement saying he felt violated and that this incident was heartbreaking. Taylor has hired a team of civil rights attorneys to seek legal action.